Hi Riley, thanks for your question. If we wanted to just express z sub 1 in polar form, well, of course we know that that would just be r sub 1 times cosine theta sub 1 plus I sine theta sub 1. Right above the question you sent in, you had this theorem written. That's actually the theorem that we're going to use to figure out what z sub 1 to the third is. Z sub 1 to the third is just z sub 1 times z sub 1 times z sub 1. So we're going to use the rule that you wrote for multiplying complex numbers. I know that this is just equal to r sub 1 times r sub 1 times r sub 1 times cosine of theta sub 1 plus theta sub 1 plus theta sub 1 plus I sine of theta sub 1 plus theta sub 1 plus theta sub 1 by the rule above. Let's go ahead and simplify that. What we get is that this is equal to r sub 1 to the third times cosine of 3 theta sub 1 plus I sine of 3 theta sub 1. And the results that we actually got here can be summarized in something called DeMoivre's theorem, which basically says that if you have z raised to an exponent and you want to express it in polar form, what you're going to do is you're going to multiply you're going to raise r to the n, and you're going to multiply the angle by n for both cosine and sine. So in the future, you can just take this shortcut when you have z to an exponent. Thanks again for your question, Riley, and I look forward to answering more of your questions using SnapMath in the future.